should I even talk about the loneliness that comes with forex trading? Like, as you can see, I'm the only one at home, no friends, nobody. Like, this is crazy, guys. So, as you can see right here now, nobody is here. Like, the mental part of it, you're gonna be bored. Like, you're gonna be lonely. You experience this. See, trading is not actually what we think it is. Guys, I failed, and I'm not ashamed of saying it. I actually failed, right? This kind of video that I don't want to make, and of course I'm making this video because I just want to start documenting my journey here on this channel, right? Like, and I also feel that somebody somewhere will, use it to also learn, right? But to be honest, I've failed, and I can't really hide it, and I'm not afraid of saying it, to be honest. So this is actually, I can remember, this is sometimes June 2022 or so, right? That's when I got into forex, and this is about a year and 6 months or so, going to 2 years, that I've been trading consistently, but I am still not profitable. Like, I still find it very difficult, okay, to get my feet in the market, and it's not something that I'm proud of, right? I'm not proud of it, I must tell you guys. So I'm kind of a person that I try as much as possible to do everything I can, all right, to make sure that I succeed in something I'm doing. But when it comes to trading, there are a lot of things here you need to understand if you are a beginner like me, right? Although I'm not that long into the markets, I'm just within a year to 2 years, and you may say that this is not what I should use to judge myself. But like I said, if I didn't tell myself the truth, that means I am not going to make any progress. Like, and as I'm making this video, not even for anything, I just want to just say out my mind, pour out my ambitions and continue with life. But to be honest, after trading, right, I have a lot of things that I want to do, right? A lot of things I want to start doing. I have my reason of trading, which is still what is keeping me today into this business. Like, this morning now, I've finished analyzing the market, and I start asking myself questions like, what's the aim of all these things? Time wasted. Like, I do not have friends again, nobody to talk to. Like, obviously I'm now lonely at home, and all these things are happening, and yet I am not still seeing the profits. I think I'm not still making the headway that I wish for myself. All right, I've bought so many courses. Like, I've learned sleepless nights. Like, I've put in the work in this game, but I do not know why I'm still not profitable. Like, I've blown many accounts, and a lot of things have really happened, that got me depressed so many times about this trading. I still believe that I'm going to succeed one day. But at some point, as a human being, you will be able to ask yourself, you to question whatever you are doing. Am I actually doing the right thing? Like, am I going the right way? Or what are the things am I not doing right? You start asking these questions, and that is what I'm doing at this point. To be honest, if I'm to lie to myself, I would say that okay, everything is alright. But no, like, it's not alright, because at this point I'm still broke. For all the things I've planned to do within these 2 years, I've planned to do this, do that, but it's not forthcoming, right? And that is so crazy for me. That is so crazy and heartbreaking. You know that when you have put in the money, put in the work, like all the money I've made so far in these past 2 years is all is in forex. Like, if I sit down to calculate my losses and the money I've spent in buying courses and everything, so if I start to say the things that I have truly tried to, benefit from this forex that I haven't gotten, is too much, okay? And I've lost so many things as well trying to, succeed in this industry, and that is something that many people do not tell you, all right? And to be honest, it doesn't really matter the course you buy or who is your mentor or whatever. At the end of the day, it boils down to you. Alright, so I'm going to share to you guys some of the mistakes that I think I've made. Okay, so one thing that I've seen that one of my mistakes is that I put a time limit for myself. What I mean is that in my first 6 months to 1 year, like I box myself in this kind of space that I must succeed, right? I give myself time that within these 6 months I must succeed, I must do this, I must do that. So I begin to do a whole lot of things together. And I think that that same mindset is still holding me right now. Right? And you can see it have kept me for more than a year to 2 years now, right? I still not make any money. Right? And the second thing I think that is one of my mistakes, okay, is that I am trying to flip small accounts, right, to bigger accounts. So in my first 6 months in forex trading to 1 year, all I was doing is depositing like $50 or $20, at max $100, trying to flip it. That's something I've been doing, like, and I wasted a lot of money doing that, like, and I wouldn't pray for anybody watching this video to try it. I know that I'm not profitable yet, right? I haven't gotten to that my point that I want to be, yes. I'm still broke, yes. But if you want to listen to my advice, right, as somebody that at least have some years into this business, do not try to flip accounts. I mean, those videos you are seeing on YouTube, I wouldn't say it's not real, but that's not how those guys trade. They are only doing those videos just for that particular YouTube videos to, but you can't trade forex like that and become sustainable, like you sustain that approach for a long time. No, there are steps to this, and as I begin to learn further, I begin to learn this. Okay, so that particular mistake of trying to flip accounts really kept me where I am. It makes me to lose a lot of money, and as I'm speaking now, I've learned from my mistake and I cannot even try it again. So it's better for me to na money and buy a prop firm, which is what I'm going to start doing now. For all these my years of trading, I have not gotten a prop firm before, but I want to try it now. Even if it's a 5k account, right? I'll just buy and try to trade it. Okay, try to know if I can grow from there, because at the end of the day, without big capital, I don't think you are going to be that successful in forex trading. Okay, and I'm telling you that this thing is what makes me spend close to 2 years in the markets and still not succeed. I'm still very broke. So with time, I begin to understand that forex is a game of capital, right? To be honest, you may come to YouTube and see people flipping accounts. I must be honest with you, those accounts that are flipping are just for the YouTube videos, alright? So themselves, they don't trade that way. And that thing was something that stuck on my mind. It's true, I do not have capital, even at this point. I don't even have much money to trade. But to be honest, if you have this mentality of flipping accounts to grow in the forex industry, I don't even talk about the loneliness that comes with forex trading. Like, as you can see, I'm only one at home. No friends, nobody. Like, this is crazy, guys. So as you can see right here now, nobody's here. Like, the mental part of it, you're gonna be bored, like you're gonna be lonely. You experience this. See, trading is not actually what we think it is. Just that you just have to keep moving, because I must be honest with you guys, for these past few years I've lost a lot of people. Nobody, I mean, you can see how everywhere is. And man, the reason why I'm getting this particular channel is because I really want to have friends, people that I talk to, alright, people that also, like, we're going to be friends. Okay, so if you want us to grow together as a trader, I would like you to, follow me on this channel of like-minded people that are also traders or going through whatever I'm going through, right? For us to understand. I also document my journey, because I think I need to start doing it on YouTube, like, because for these past few years now, I think it's just a waste. I want to start new life entirely. So if you want to join my community, just subscribe to the channel here and also share your experience if you're a trader, and kind of encourage ourselves. Okay, because this is not something, I think that in as much as we want to do it alone, we still need people around us that are going to guide. At some point we became bored and frustrated at the same time. So guys, this video I wouldn't want it to be too long, all right, because I still have more videos to share. I'll share to you guys my day in my life, the things I've been doing, you know, and everything in between, right? So that you guys also know how I trade, and also my approach in the market, and my mistakes, and also my profits. And let's see how far we can go in this industry. So guys, I would like to see you guys in my next video, but for now, peace.